All right, hello everybody. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a proportion of a normal distribution plot in Excel. So in the back of our book, when we look at z-scores, we see that 3.5 and up is 0.9999. So since beyond that, I didn't really see much point, I made negative 3.5 and 3.5 the cutoffs for my normal distribution. Now let's go over here and do that. Basically, if you do two of these in Excel, you can just copy them down. So let's do that all the way over to 3.5. All right, so now we have these. Now the next thing that we need to do is, let's say we're going to do the 80th percentile, or everything to the left of, would mean everything to the left of a z-score of, let's see, that would be approximately 0.84. All right, now in the line next to the z-score, what we're doing is normal distribution, and then the one right next to it, 0, 1, false. So let's do that over here. Equals NORM dot, and then we do that, comma 0, comma 1, comma false. Just gonna double check. And the reason that we're doing the 0 and the 1 is these are going to be the mean and standard deviation, and for whatever given whatever you're using that isn't necessarily going to be 0 and 1, it'll change, but for this example we're going to use that. And then same thing for this, we're just going to copy this down and Excel will automatically change the A's to the corresponding cells. All right, I'm approximating, so it said 0.84. I'm rounding to 0.8. You could do 0.9 as well. Now, what you're going to want to do is just take everything below this, because it's to the left side of the z-score, right? And then insert chart area. See, and now you're going to have it, but it is not going to have the correct x-axis. So, click on the middle, go to select data. And then go to axis categories, and then you're going to want to go from there, and then colon, and then down to this one, same ones. So now, when my computer starts working again, see, now we have this. So here we have the z-scores on the x-axis, and then you can title this whatever you want it to be, and you are good to go. And this works with any of them, so just find wherever you would like to plot, and then you can select the normal distribution area and then use the labels corresponding to those.